Hello everyone, welcome to Code Freshly Juiced, and today we'll be taking a look at the sound blocks in Scratch. In our last video, we talked about the looks blocks in Scratch. So without further ado, let's get started. I'm using the MSG alert sound effect for this video. So, yeah. The regular MSG alert sound effect. First block, play sound blank until done. This will play the sound effect, whatever it is, until it's done, then run the program that's underneath it. So if we had move 10 steps, turn 15 degrees, and move 10 steps again, and click go. Oh, actually no, we click that. That's when it sets into position. Just like that. Then direction equals 90. So if you play it, waits until it's done, then does whatever you want it to. Next is start sound MSG alert until done, or whatever you have. So if we get another move 10 steps block and play it, it moves 10 steps without even trying to wait until it's done. It just clicks, it's done, it moved. So you click it and it moves and it keeps playing the sound. Yeah. Every time I click it, it moves as soon as it starts playing the sound. Next is stop all sounds. So if we play the sound, it goes until it's done. But if we click stop all sounds, it just stops it. Next is change pitch effect by 10. If I click it, it's a higher pitched. If I do it again, I can also make it negative 10 if I wanted to. Click it again. It's starting to go lower. If I do it again after that though, and it starts to go lower, like farther away from the default sound, which is this. Also we have pan left and right. So originally this will be 10. If we set pan left and right effect, let's say we change it by 20, or actually no, we'll keep it 10. Every time we click this, it should start to go more and more towards the left speaker, earbud, headphone, whatever you're doing. Again. Now if we click it 3 more times, 4 more times, and it should be completely at the right speaker, headphone, whatever, by 100. So if we change this to negative 100 and just set it back to normal, the default pan is 0. If we change it to negative 10, it starts to go towards the left one. And once it reaches negative 100, it goes completely towards the left speaker. Back to normal. Okay. Next is clear sound, actually no, it's set pan left and right effect to 100. So if we hit pitch, sets the pitch to 100 automatically. That was not very good. And then if you change, it stays at 100. And if you change it to 300, oh, actually no, that hurt. So if we change it to 20 maybe, it automatically sets towards that. Or negative 100, super low. Everything has its own pitch, really. Like this only sounds good at 0. It can also be done with pan left and right, but it won't do anything past 100. So 100, it's at my right. Negative 100, it's at my left. 0, It's in the middle, or both, really. So we set this to 100 real quick, and set pitch to 30, and play it. Doesn't sound too good. But we can easily get rid of these effects by clicking the clear sound effects block. Click it once, and back to normal. I'm gonna set him back, I just realized that. Next is change volume by -10. Every time I click this, it gets quieter. And quieter and quieter until it reaches 0. See, I just played it, but nothing happened. We can also change it by regular 10 and raise it up. But note to self, once you get to 100, it stays at 100. It doesn't go any higher than that. Also, set volume to 100%. You can change it to 50 is half. You can change it to 30 is roughly a third. You can change it to 90 just before full volume. Or full volume, 100%. And we also, finally, as our last block, have the volume circle block here. It's kind of like a button too. If you hit this checkbox here, Sprite 1 volume should appear on the top of the screen, and you can move it around anywhere. Even, that's it. That's the farthest point it can go down. You can move it there for now. If you click it, it tells you what volume you're at. Just click it, 100. I can also change that. If I set the volume to 20, 20 would change up here. And if I click that, it says 20. We can also trigger actions with the volume block as well. So we get if then, and then we'll do equals 50 and drag volume in there and click this block right on top and click it. Actually, no, wait, I don't have a, so if I change look to think I am quiet now, period. And we'll change 50 to 10. If volume is 10, then it's gonna think I am quiet now. So if we change it to 30 and play it, nothing should happen here. Yeah, no, nothing happened. But if we change volume to 10% now, and click it, 10 is up here, and click this, I am quiet now. And to get it to stop, you just click the stop button up there, and play it again. I am quiet now. See? So yeah, pretty short video today on all the sounds blocks in Scratch. That's all I have for you today, and I hope you all enjoyed your code. Freshly juiced.
I want your everything, every single part of you.